Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today the topic is general elections 1945 and 46. First of all, I would like to discuss the reasons for the general elections. So, keep it in your mind, students, that the reasons were very important because after the failure of the Shimla conference, it was necessary to estimate the position of the political parties in the eyes of the people and which party can run the future of the subcontinent, because both parties have the different point of view, entirely different. In these circumstances, in order to discover the public trends, the British government announced of holding general elections. It was decided that the central and the provincial, Markazi or Subai, legislature elections will be held in January 1945. So all the political parties of the India announced to contest the elections. So this is very important. Next point, that political position. What was the political position that time? All the political parties launched huge election campaigns. Congress wanted to frustrate the Muslim League at any cost. This was the main motive of Congress, to degrade the Muslim community and its leaders toward the length and breadth of India. So, talk about the election campaign of Congress. Congress made elections alliances. Keep it in your mind, students, that these are the very important names of the Muslim parties: Unionist Party, Ihrar Party, Jamiatul Ulama Hind, and other Muslim parties, and took every possible step to create obstacles in the way of Muslim League. Next, election campaign of Muslim League. On the other hand, since the elections were life and death issue for the Muslims, this was very important for the Muslim League to win the elections, because after the declaration and after presenting the Pakistan resolution, this was a very important moment for the Muslim community. With the great leadership of Quaid-e-Azam, in the under the flag of Muslim League, this was very important for the Muslim Leagues to be the part of Muslim League. So Muslim League toured the countryside. Quaid-e-Azam, in spite of falling health, made stormy tours of the subcontinents. He made the Muslims aware of the need of the hour. Muslim League began to gain a popularity rapidly, so the many Muslim leaders disaffiliated themselves from their political groups and joined Muslim League. This was a great achievement by the side of Muslim League. So, here we will talk about the Quaid-e-Azam challenge. Quaid-e-Azam, in his public meetings, challenged the Congress openly that a Muslim League will prove that its demand for Pakistan is true in elections, and Muslim of the subcontinent will not be satisfied until they get Pakistan. So Muslim expressed their sentiments enthusiastically. The Muslim students also came forward. The great strength of Muslim children, Muslim students, the groups comprising of Muslim League workers are spread in each corner of the country. So Muslims, the atmosphere echoes with the slogans, underline the word slogans: बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, and पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? ला इलाहा illallah. With every passing day, the standpoint of the Muslim League became stronger and stronger. Now, the next topic is manifestos of the political parties. First of all, I have write down the definition of the manifesto. So what is manifesto? Manifesto basically a published declaration of the intentions, motives or view of the issuer, be it an individual, group, political party or government. मैनिफेस्टो, जिसे उर्दू में हम मंशूर कहेंगे, ये एक ऐसा ऐलान किया होता है अपने इरादे ज़ाहिर करने का, अपने मोटिव्स को ज़ाहिर करने का और अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पेश करने का, चाहे आप इनफरादी तौर पे करें, ग्रुप की सूरत में करें, या फिर किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की सूरत में, या फिर गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से अनाउंस किया जाए. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मैनिफेस्टो ऑफ कांग्रेस. Congress, basically, it was the manifesto of the Congress that South Asia will be liberated. South Asia को आज़ाद करा जाएगा as a single unit. They were openly saying that no scheme of the partition will be acceptable to them. So basically, they were denying the two-nation theory. So Congress claimed itself to be the representatives of all the communities and sections of the people living in the subcontinent, that the Muslims also agreed to the viewpoint of the Congress. यहाँ पे हम इसको मज़ीद थोड़ा सा वाज़ेह अल्फाज में बयान करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कांग्रेस का मंशूर था कि बड़े सग़ीर में तो कोई दूसरी नुमाइंदा जमात है ही नहीं किसी भी कम्युनिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, क्योंकि तमाम किस्म के सियासी और दीगर ग्रुप्स को और फ़िरक़ों को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाली वाहिद नुमाइंदा जमात सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ कांग्रेस है। इसलिए उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किसी भी किस्म की तकसीम की अगर बात की जाएगी, दैट विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेबल। इन द अदर हैंड, अगर हम बात करें कायदे-ए-आज़म के दावे की, तो हम बात करेंगे कि कायदे-ए-आज़म affirmed that the general elections will prove plebiscite regarding पाकिस्तान। कायदे-ए-आज़म ने तो बता दिया कि इंतखाबात जो हैं वो पाकिस्तान के बारे में इस्तिस्वाबे राय होंगे, ये क्लियर करेंगे कि क्या पाकिस्तान बनेगा या नहीं। इफ़ द मुस्लिम स्टूड विद द मुस्लिम लीग, अगर मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी मुस्लिम लीग का साथ देती है, इट मेंट दैट दे वांटेड पाकिस्तान। अदरवाइज द डिमांड ऑफ द सेपरेट होमलैंड शुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज रिजेक्टेड। यानी दूसरी तरफ अगर मुस्लिम लीग इंतखाबात जीतेगी तो पाकिस्तान बनेगा, और अगर मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी साथ नहीं देगी तो इसका मतलब है कि मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी don't want to get any country as a name of Pakistan. So Muslim League stepped in the arena of elections claiming, मुस्लिम लीग तो इसी दावे के साथ उसने इस इंतखाबी अखाड़े में कदम रखा था that it was the only representatives of the Muslims of the subcontinent, क्योंकि वो ये साबित करना चाहते थे कि हिंदुओं की ये बात that they are the only representatives of all the communities and sections of the people living in the subcontinent, they are not agreed. Muslim community is not agree because Muslim League is the only representative party of Muslim community. Although there existed some other Muslim parties also, as we have named the Hirar Party, Unionist Party, and Jamiatul Ulama Hind, yet none of them represented the majority of the Muslims. The Muslim League wanted the partition of the South Asia in accordance with the Pakistan resolution, so the Muslims could have fully authority in the areas having Muslims in majority. So students, I have designed some short questions for you. As you can see, why was the elections of 1945-46 held? That means here you will write the reasons of the general elections. After this, manifestos of the Congress and Muslim League, you will note down and write about the manifesto of the Muslim League and Congress. Next one question is, name Muslim political parties in the subcontinent. As you know, the Muslim League was the main leading party. After that, the Unionist Party, Ihrar Party, and Jamiatul Ulama Hind. These were all the possible short and detailed questions. So you just have to learn about the reasons of the general elections, the election campaign of the Congress and the Muslim League, and after that the manifestos of the Muslim League and Congress in this topic. Thank you.